What do parents look for when picking a school for their kids? Is it a hands-on learning style like Montessori? An established curriculum like the International Baccalaureate? Or maybe it's shared values with the teachers and the administration of the school? What do all of these have in common? They're all brands that are easily recognizable to parents. These organizations have marketing departments responsible for getting the message out.
Mirto and I are at the Great Northern. We're going to be seeing the opening of an international school. We're headed over to Skellefteå Commune, which is the city hall for Skellefteå, to deliver a product, some custom software that we made for them. The adult table over here, and then over here on this side they've got the kids table.
Parents are busy, and there's a lot of benefit from being connected to a well-established brand in education. Others will recognize it, and the peers you meet in school will also have a similar socio-economic standing, so teachers can use this common ground to tailor the curriculum. The education for everyone is going to need to be a brand that people recognize. You'll also need peers that you can relate to, so it'll need to be customized for each region. What are you looking for when picking a good school? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing.